Hello again. Alright, so here's an update. Since I installed the rooftop air conditioner, top has become, as everyone guessed, very heavy. Since the gym isn't working out for me, I picked this up from Van Cafe. It's their heavy duty roof assist shock. So I'm going to be installing this now. Unfortunately, I don't have any help at the moment to open the top. So I'm going to give it a try on my own again. There's my nice battery. There's the AC. And lots of junk I need to clean up. Well, I picked up this eco-worthy charger for my battery. Seems to be working pretty good. Charges it a lot faster than the 10 amp. Alright, I just tried opening it, but I think I need something to stand on. Alright, so here's take two. Let's see how this works out. There, stay right there. Nope. Still too heavy. Might need a hand. I'm gonna have to wait until the football player gets home from playing basketball to help me open the top. But in the meanwhile, let me show you what's inside the Van Cafe heavy duty roof struts look like. Alright. Two struts. Some mounting hardware. And here are the brackets for the bottom. Struts. Not very heavy. I'm assuming they have a lot of pressure on them. Definitely hard to compress. So I guess that's the heavy duty part of them. Alright. So let's wait for someone to get home. Alright, so I have help now. And let's see if we can get this open now. Ready? I'll tell you when. Push it forward a little bit. Forward to me. More. Keep pushing. Push, push. There you go. Good job. No, that's supposed to be a pin there. The pin fell out. All right. Oh. All right, we got it up. Success. All right, as per the instructions, we're gonna take this bolt out, 10 mm. And then install this longer one. And we're going to remove the second one. I'm reusing the washer. And I noticed there's some sealant on this. So later on, I'm going to take these back off and add a little sealant. The small bolt. There's the sealant. And here's the long bolt. So that one's in. This little thing points out. And let me do the other side. So here's the clothes hanger I bent according to Van Cafe's specs. One end goes to the center of this ball, and then the other end lines up with the mark. One of these marks I made. Let's see which one it is. So I measured about 3 or 4 times, and it looks like this is the mark. This line, it's 5 3/4 inch from the lip. So I'm gonna drill now. All right, let's keep our fingers crossed. This is the right spot. There's the hole. Now let's see if the hardware fits. All right, so I tightened up that. The adjustable and a 15 mm. It's nice and snug. I'm going to install the strut now. And let's pray that I lined it up right. Looks like it was a perfect fit. Thank goodness. Now for the other side. So let's recap how I did this. I measured 5 1/4 inches up, approximately where I know the strut's gonna land, using the clothes hanger. So I made this line going across 5 1/4 inch there to there. Drew a line across and measured with the coat hanger first. Got that mark. And then I measured with the tape measure. And I also got the 20 1/4 inch mark. So should be right. I'm gonna drill now. So this side was definitely, the driver's side was definitely harder to snap this side on. I had to use the pliers and push up on the top pretty hard. I don't think it was my measurement. I think it's because I pushed up on the other side. So this side may have been pushed a little bit more this way, maybe under pressure from the other shock. Anyway, I'm gonna tighten back up this bolt and let's test it out. I'm excited. Folks, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if the Van Cafe heavy duty shocks work. All right, let me duck a little bit. Whoa, not coming down at all. Maybe they're a little too heavy duty. Wow. Let me give it a little more of a tug. Wow. Very heavy duty. Maybe I didn't need the heavy duty ones. Let's see if it goes back up. Oh, nice and smooth. try to close it again. Whee. Wow. Those heavy duty struts are something. They weren't kidding about heavy duty. I'm going to try to open it now. It's definitely an effort to close it. Let's see. One hand action. Look at that. Wow. Where have these struts been all my life? Wow, so looks good. Oh, this is how I repaired that little cut on that side. And I'm gonna apply another slice to here to extend the use of my top. I do have a new top, but that's gonna be another project. I'll put another piece of magic tape on that side.